So today we are going to solve a lead code questions, which is we have to check the array if is in ascending order. Like we have to show is ascending order, non-decreasing array or not. Okay. So the if array is sorted, it should return true. Otherwise, it should return false. Okay. And there is also another condition is that for example, two array have should equal value, like we can say that like it should be like 1 comma 2 comma 2 3 comma 4. So this is the repetition value, so this is also considered be a true. So we are going to solve this into our JavaScript code. Okay, perfect. So first we will make the method to check if the array is in ascending order or not. Perfect. So we are going to implement this in JavaScript. So let's make one functions. Let const is sorted. I am using the arrow function, so do not worry about that. You can check the arrow functions. Perfect. So we just iterative the for functions, check if the array is in ascending order. Perfect. So let's so for let I is equal to 0. Perfect. This is our initial condition. Now check the array, the length of array dot length. It should be like that, because we are just have an array that's index start from the 0. So from 0 to, if like we have this array, like it is start from 0 to 4, and if you put the array dot length, it will start from 0 to 1, 0 to 5, and it will minus from here 1, that will be initialized from 4, 0 to 4. Perfect. We have to do I and sorry I plus plus that. Perfect. So we have to check like if array of first element is greater than array of I plus 1, the very next element of the array, then what will you do? We just return the false. Perfect. Else we are going to return true. Sorry. Okay, so this is what we check, that if first element of array is greater than the array of the very next element, instantly we are going to remove the return the true element. Otherwise we should return a false. Perfect. And for the next element, if we check the array is sorted and also rotated sorted, like we have a very repetition number or not. Perfect. So just make another very function. Let's if sorted array, like we have to give name like this, sorted array. Perfect. And arrow function, we have to set the parameter of array, then arrow functions, and then that's perfect. And we have to define the count variable. Let count is equal to 0. Initially we set it 0. For const, we have to check the length of array, because we have to iterate the array to the n element, so we have to just write the array dot length. Perfect. This, and then for let I is equal to 0 and I less than is equal to n. and I plus plus. It will automatically set the value of our array is equal to 5 if we are passing the like array like 5 variable. Okay, so it will just adjust the value like that, an element like whatever the n value of the array, so it will just set the value of this element into n variable. Perfect. So now we have to check uh, if, sorry for that, if array of I element greater than array of I plus 1 and the modulus 1, and modulus 1. Perfect. So this is what actually this is checking the array element, doing nothing, like we have to array of one element and then we have to check like the variable like I, it is 0 initially, so we have the value of element of 1 and this is will be the I. Agar if value of 0 greater than the array of value at 0 greater than the value of array at 1 mod n, then it will give us the value of 1. Perfect. So we have to just count plus plus, and if we check if any value that's stored in count greater than 1, it should return us false. Perfect. Or else return us true value. So this is what is we have done, simply nothing, just make the arrow functions and we have just make the loop and we just check the values of array and -1 to match the index of array, and after that array of I, it should be greater than array of I plus 1, so it should return false, else it return true. So this is our one function, and the very second function we use the uh, sorted arrow. Okay, so in which what I did, I just set the function let I is equal to 0, I less than n, and what will be the array of length, whatever is the length of array, it should store in our n variable. That's why I put n over here, and I did just I plus plus, and then if area of I greater than the area of I plus 1, this is index our 0, and the its index 0 value greater than the index 0 plus 1 I value, and it mod the value of n what will be the n is the number of the element in the array, so it will mod the value, and if that mod value greater, it will in count. If the value of count greater than the 1, it should return as false, else it return as true. Perfect. Now let's log it out. uh, Log, and first I have to check the value of is sorted value, and mm, I am giving the value like 1 2 3 4 5. Perfect. So this, see, it is giving us true value. Perfect. If in case I put 7 here, it will give us false value. Perfect. It is taking perfect. Now let's check the another function our that is sorted value array, and if i if I check the value in this, like we can put like 43 1 2 45 or 65. See, it is both giving us false because these arrays are not sorted. What if I do this like, okay, it's perfect, it's sorted array. And what I do is like 42, perfect, it is giving true. If I put 63 here, it will give us false. See, this is our, this is our the true first one, this one, and the second one is this. So this is like says in like 1 2 3 in this way, and this is like we can start from the large number to lower number. Okay, so if I put this value like 1 2 3 and 3 and 4 again, it will also give us true value because I already told that we are checking the numbers as well. So this is all about our uh, sorted array functions of lead code questions, and I hope you like the answers. I'm trying my best to simplify more and more to you. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.